Let's take a look at a common use of the Look At tool. You notice our scene has no lighting, so we're going to add a single spotlight, raise it up above our objects, and then left click only and drag left with the scale tool to narrow the beam a bit. And we're going to click the Look At tool and then click our arm. This will aim the spotlight at our arm object. Let's keyframe this ahead to, or move ahead to about frame 20. Click on the Look At again to disable it. Then move on to frame 45, click Look At, and then click on our cube. We'll go ahead and also set movement keyframes for our spotlight, move it forward so that the cube is lit properly. Now let's play back, and we'll see that the spotlight is initially aimed at our arm, and then it moves very smoothly over to light up the cube. In this example, we're going to use a separate object as our Look At object, and we're going to use an array of spotlights, about 4 in all, and then set each one to look at our cube. Using this method is very good for working with cameras also. Have a camera look at a particular place. Okay, we're going to move our Look At cube and move it over to our arm. If you hit rewind, you will get a refresh of the screen at frame 0 so that you'll see where the lights are aiming. Move ahead to frame 20. We're going to move our cube over to Groover, and then ahead again to frame 45, and move our cube over to our existing cube. Now here's the secret to using this separate focal object, is we will right click on the object selector or the arrow button, bring up the object info panel, expand it with the little red triangle, hit render options, and set our cube to be invisible. It's still there, and we'll see the outline of it in the preview, but as far as the render goes, the final render, the object will not be rendered. And we will notice that all 4 spotlights will track the position of our cube through the animation and very smoothly and elegantly change the lighting situation of the animation.